those of us who are not Christians and those of us who are not Muslims, we were tolerant because we are still Ghanaians. So when somebody says, oh, we want to pray before this thing, you say, okay, Charlie, go ahead and pray. It's not a problem. I don't mind if you're a Christian. I don't mind if you're a Muslim. All I care is how you treat me. But then the Christian, you say, oh, you are not a Christian, you are going to hell.
Condemning everybody.
You are a Muslim, you are going to hell. You are this, you are that. So we are tolerant.
Yes, very, very tolerant.
The non-Christians, the non-Muslims. If we had not been tolerant, Christianity would never have found a foothold.
Exactly.
You identify yourself.
Tell them.
Known. So what are you? How do you identify yourself?
I'm a Ghanaian.
I'm not a Christian.
I'm a Ghanaian. There is people always ask, am I a Christian or a Muslim?
How do you worship? Do you worship?
Through people. God is in people.
What do I worship? I worship every human being I meet.
Exactly.
You, for instance, I love you more than Jesus. I love you more than Muhammad. I know you. You and I have spent time together. We have done things together. I cherish the human being you are. Sometimes when I have jobs, I call you because I know when you come, you do a good job for me.
You deliver.
Right? And I know you have a sense of friendship and loyalty that if I've given you a job to do, you will not let me down. I trust you for that. I love you. That's why I like you. You are my friend. I don't know Jesus from anywhere.
Exactly.
Who is Jesus? Why should I love that guy?
Christians are missing so much.
For
That's
what?
the point.
When you are here, you are here, you are here. I'm surrounded by God's children. So why do I want to go and chase the one from some time ago who
Exactly.
he sees everything Christ, basa. They say his mother is a virgin. Come on. And they say you're before. How can a virgin give birth? Come on. You know, sometimes they educate us to make us stupid. And we don't realize it.
So you think it's we are confused? Most people are confused.
No.
Is that what you think?
All those of us who have been educated we are more foolish than we were before we went to school.
Exactly. Tell them.
We are more foolish than we went.
What's the solution?
We have to transform our educational system.
Exactly.
How do you start?
Well, first of all, the starting is to remove everything which is faith-based from an educational system which is science-based.
Yes.
Right? You don't combine faith and science together.
Exactly.
Because faith is not based on human observation. It's not based on empirical fact. It's not based on anything we have seen.
It's belief.
So we should not mix the two together. We must separate them.
Separate the faith.
Separate the faith from the science. Yes. And let's focus on science and leave the faith for people's homes.
So faith should be individual, and science is how our education should be.
Our education should be science-based only.
Exactly.
Keep your faith in your house.